Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much as always. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and thank you for my old subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment and share. But today's video is going to be a little bit long, but it's a good one, okay? So this is me taking Dr. Benson, who is leading us on building our livestock farming. He has wealth of information regarding livestock farming. Yes, and I pay for consultation, but you know what? I love to share. So watch this video and learn tips and bits about starting a livestock farming in Ghana. If you have any questions, comment and I'll be more than happy to help you answer it. We wanted to do our farm once and for all. So before we even started digging foundation, it was important for us to get a professional in there to tell us things about the quality of the land space and the wind direction and all structural work. So that's what this video is about. So enjoy and let me know if you have any questions. Okay,
the Benson Muhu can point a makai. Yes, yeah, can point your good another wood. Yes, the structure now. Which one do you suggest? We can put another normal wood.
We use
Normal wood, okay.
I mean, because if you are on the campaign, normally they use it in construction when they want to do flow.
Oh, okay.
To support the beams.
Okay.
But we have a system of fish production called the IMO.
Okay.
The IMO, no, you don't do concrete floor. You dig about 1 meter deep and you fill it with rice husk.
Oh, okay.
So instead of them using block work, they use bamboo.
Okay. And we're not doing the one that we need the bamboo, right? Okay. Because it's not a strong structure.
And the bamboo must be treated before you, I mean, that quality of bamboo, you can't get it.
Okay. Hey. Good morning. Namadia. Hey. Hey, your boy. Hey, awesome. This is pine wine. They're distilling it. Oh, wow. This is cool. Oh, there. Good morning. Ooh, I can smell it. Ooh. Strong. Hey, Obama Mabo. Obama Mabo. Just the smell alone. Now where? Hey. Okay. On your okay. Then would you know what? The man. Oh, okay. Into what the move be a move. Hey! Hey! And it will be a man function, and I remember him. Or what the machine cocoa. It won't me who be, but who be a man function. Mabaha. Hey! Oh, yeah, and they will cause a problem. Or they are told. Near my Bobo Cabia. Okay. Then cook will be with you. I don't know one cat. As is also your walk. The makes me why did you want to do? I want to over a tree. Let me see. Good morning. How do you? Oh, anyway, Bunansia. Up a borehole. That's the option.
On put the Wabaya, your ABI, you may use a question now, have news, but a bedroom there, I hear surface water. Internal, it's a burabenia, but on wood to form bed if you have to be my if you banner down into no photo, the natural in. Now, make sure, make sure, and I did not, especially mason.
I don't know you know tomorrow in case you want.
Okay, you know what the
Good morning.
About no, I master teach many times. You see where the shadow is casting.
Yeah.
It means that from the top downhill, the land slope towards this area.
Okay.
So if we are going to do anything with poultry, we are looking at waste management. When you use a lot of water, we are looking at the flow.
Okay.
So it means that it will flow from the top down.
Down. Okay.
But the wind direction
Mhm.
it flows this way.
Okay.
So it means that let me show
check here.
You can see, I'm used to another smooth area.
Okay. Okay.
So it means that if you are going to do poultry,
Yeah.
the wind should flow from the poultry to the poultry,
Okay.
not the other way around.
Okay.
Otherwise, you lose a lot of battery effect.
Okay. Okay.
So it means that all our poultry structures, and looking at the land,
Uh.
I'm assuming that the distance we walk here is the same distance. Is this square?
It's not square. It's
You
like
have the plan.
yeah, at home.
You have the plan.
At home. Yeah.
So if you go, you will be able to show me this length on the plan. Will you be able to?
No.
What the pressure one brand?
And you will lay, yeah. Then we will know that all our poultry structures are going to start here.
Okay.
And then the nature of poultry is that one structure can take at least 2,000.
Okay.
So we can start with the first phase of 2,000.
Okay.
And then the next phase. So every phase we leave road in between.
Okay.
What's your here?
You see, the most important thing is when you understand and
Okay.
we are selecting the site for construction. I always prefer that we'll start from our boundary
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
Because eventually it's a higher road.
Okay.
And if it's a surveyor who did this, then it means that every road you lead about 3 meters. Then it means that maybe the road can be pushed like this. If it's a
Okay.
correction, what we can do is that the first phase here,
First
we can
phase.
leave, if this is the pillar, we leave about 4 meters.
4
from
meters.
here,
Okay.
4 meters from this direction.
Okay.
Then we start our foundation. But it will go, you see, the reason why, if you see my shadow, the reason why the building should be aligned this way,
Yeah.
for pigs and poultry, they don't like it.
Okay. Okay.
So if you go and build it this way,
Yeah.
it means that, let's say this is the building,
Yeah.
this is the longitudinal side.
Yeah.
The sun will rise from here, it cannot enter.
Okay.
It will flow over the roof and set at the other side.
Okay.
So, but if you build it this way, it means the sun will enter early in the morning and it will set, it will also enter.
Okay.
So they will be affected with this first.
Okay. So this way is the okay.
And this is the first thing you take into consideration when you are
Oh, okay. Moving from Yanko Fountain 1,000 patron.
Yeah, but you're Proko no one pay heat. On the Proko be away. It is yes, dino, that's a dino, need susum no, or we will not need susum, but don't miss susum. Damn, there a dino, letting tin or back for damn tea. Buma gable and a gable, a roof. Viano Boa, how going to preventive Viano, Buma or Ede at this time. What book of a trainer, Dam Shade, or Beba Michi. Baba took me today. Into the Vian best set to her. Into Viano, Quifia, or Gokudia, and best set pretty. Why then your uncle dining? But see, you question the day. Yes, in the day. The boy, the Vian that dining the man or consultants with the mighty, and one when you want to bet bring your home to.
Okay.
In Tema, we need the banner. Instead, there will be a casino. No idea.
Okay.
Or plant. Into a plant into a waffle.
But your more question, it can't then break one cook also the man because I'm okay. Okay. Yeah.
Normally, no. One in yet to blogger, you bet to be 6 course. 6 course near your woodwork near the wire mesh. In Kukono, you have to 2 course. Because again from Africa, it's here wind direction. Women from Africa, wind direction can shoot by the same way. Oboko, when I could be out to be and you should go with to judge to be a dreamer. To be a recover.
Oh,
Honor, see, I'm Elena, a day, a dino, the same way, Oboko from Ando Kode by roof, a dog by 1 meter, house track or out. That is the whole thing. But normally, in site plan now, land use planning. Because this is the poultry. If you are able to make it from a hardy, you be try it hardy poultry. Not in between your pasture. You be with today, wire mesh. Every square, 100 square meters, we fence it with wire mesh 6 feet.
okay.
And then we can do shipping good in between. And then the piggery can be up. Then the rest of the land we can use it for crop and maize. Then we can plan our road in between. To side plan. There is no need for us to go and get a bulldozer to come and grade the road.
Okay.
But when we start, we know that the material say, this is the first road.
Okay.
After the eye, junction, you can't never. You find the remove best sheet, my blog near the whatever you better be. You can't time for when you know.
No, yeah, okay.
Okay. After the acquire neighbor.
Okay.
You acquire the next one the same way.
Wait, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And you are you bet to me. We need storage tanks. Maybe today, you said you better quality tanks. You bet to my concrete tanks. Big one was top of. And the one was slow. If you to go a hacker, you get to a pump food. If your boy is not flow by any pump, you are bow and use sniper. If your boy are by degree or by gravity, the flow be behind him. Cook on be a binya, clean water. Impressive for the crown, you bet Mamma will soon be. Connect amount because of your boat.
Okay.
In your site planner,
okay.
You can do land use planning.
Okay.
Until if you know that you want to do sheep and goat, maybe poultry, and then eventually piggery. But a lot more people also do ostrich.
Ostrich, okay.
So you can get maybe one or two.
Ostrich in the market in Ghana, in the market today.
One thing is that the ostrich, they don't need like the way you do sheep and goat, they can live with them. And because they are vegetarian, they will pick all this grass. The only thing is that they don't jump until you do fencing to show their area of park.
Okay.
And eventually, we have to build maybe workers' cottage.
Yeah.
And the workers' cottage will build it upward so that when somebody is there, you can see what is happening.
Okay.
And now with the advent of CCTV, you want something.
On the also baby, yeah. You want that?
In the house, you can look at it from your phone.
Yes. For sure.
Make sure I do so. Maybe I'm going to happen.
What we'll do is that your wire mesh should be.
One thing is
on the a preco or was through preco.
Oh, okay.
It is a what a preco no.
One story for your debut.
What we do is that down your and you used to spare mesh no you be use on there in can't it you see them already to be you be use on be
Okay.
no for a big snake which can swallow egg to pass through or beka
Okay.
The children one kitten
in kitchen so they can't take the egg
Okay. Okay. And then some frequency about to me the kakrebi just to chase them away. Oh, my
they'll be intensive.
Oh, really?
They'll be intensive.
The whole
Extensive.
thing is that depending on the scale you want to do.
Yeah.
Because there is a farm I supervise, they have 4,000 piece. They do sausage.
Yeah.
They do meat processing.
Okay.
They don't prefer to sell the pig. They process the pig
and sell.
Send to the Abadi Beach Hotel. We process it.
Okay.
If you want to do that, then we can have another skill there. Okay. We can do the intensive one for breeding. When they reach 40 kilos, then we bring them out for free range.
Okay.
So we can do the free and they will come out and eat the grass
and chase them away.
Okay. Just an area where they will drink and water and so eat.
Okay.
And that is all. So we can, with the size of now, we can have about 1,000 pig free range.
Okay.
Maybe another 100 breeders.
Okay.
So when they breed, we win them. They will
go. Okay. Okay.
And by so doing, one will work up with
Okay. So it looks like
the first thing is that how ready are you?
we're ready.
So if you are ready, normally I'll give you the dimension. The standard one is like 10 by 10 feet for each room. Until will take 100 feet. Into your back for 100 feet.
Okay. So
foundation, you be true or back with this. Now, I have a walking path. The banana, a dandy 10 feet high. 10 feet. Now, I had 10 feet to obey 10 rooms. Now, I have no. You better know 10 by 5. Until instead of being 10 rooms, you bring 20 rooms. But a honor, Procoko, or better the whole 1. In terms of the whole small. Not 10, what name, what would you need 1 hour? So, and when we start this, for instance, like the plan I use for other farms, basically I recommend that, okay, before they even give birth, we can take winners and fatten them for the market. Winners now ready for the market. But if the alternative is when you pick the winners, even when you start with 10 females and they are in these 10 cubicles, within 4 months, you are going to have 100 pigs.
Okay.
4 months.
Okay.
So your next plan of action is that when we finish this first phase, we have to start with it because then they are going to be crowded. Because when we have 100 pigs, we win them 2 weeks, they become pregnant.
Okay.
So in a year, they will give birth twice and be pregnant into the other year.
Okay.
So it means that in a year, we are going to have 200 pigs in addition to what we started with.
Okay.
On average, some give birth 13, 12. So on the average, it means you are going to have 200. So it means you must have at least 1. And then we leave a space second. But all the ways the land is sloping this way. Okay. So instead of us to maybe start from this edge, we go to the slope, the top more level at the other edge, so that we can do the waste in a way that we can use the waste for fertilizer or compost production. So we can the and the cleaning water can run through the farm.
Okay.
We can plant a lot of plantains around to absorb that water.
Okay.
And then the solid waste, we create a shed. And there is a way we do compost in addition to maybe corn herbs and all those things you mix them.
Okay.
And they become pure compost and you can bag them home garden, fertilizer, and
only a pig now and a poultry.
now both pig and the poultry.
Okay, same thing. Okay.
Dimension is it for both pig and
the dimension for the poultry is different. The dimension for the poultry, you can do 30 feet.
I think that's what he wants to start with. The poultry. Yeah.
You want to start with the poultry?
Yes.
So the poultry, it means that we can do the poultry. Since the wind is going in this direction, this is the poultry section.
Okay.
This side will be the poultry section, but maybe I wish we
Okay, sure. And my family now, my queen now, my
land, I could do our south slope, another the slope come out to this point. You will need a man. You make a very informed decision because all the ways the shooter overrun.
Okay.
Overrun up, and when just imagine your previous year. Now for the opposite, you come and touch.
Oh yeah.
Saying until we will choose a place where our waste we can manage our waste within our own land.
Oh, okay.
So that we don't
sure, that makes sense.
So at least you know that all the structures will go this direction.
Okay.
You should have that
in mind. Okay.
And then the wind go this way, so the piggery will be here. The sheep and goat will be in the middle. The piggery will be at the top.
Okay.
The poultry, sheep and goat, and the piggery at the top.
No problem.
And you can have other
things. Yeah.
Guinea fowl
and all that. Okay.
And here.
Hey. Dama.
No, because there is economy of scale.
Oh.
You have one worker. He's taking care
of everything. Okay. Okay. A little bit of everything. That way.
From here
to there.
Come on.
But you want to see the.
Okay. Okay.
Pillars is small.
Pillars, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so part. You're for high now.
I'm putting a nice area.
You could take a class of water.
But the nature of the land is sandy. More sandy.
It's only advisable
to
advisable
for crop.
Okay.
We have to, because when the suitor around the day, it will wash all the topsoil.
Okay.
And then it will leach the nutrients.
Okay.
So we just do some, like we are doing poultry pig on toilet in there.
Oh, okay, man. Okay. One structure, no look.
What kind of incident?
Did you don't know or your plan more? Okay.
What kinds of open but yesterday cover for the starting.
Okay. Okay. Nto na your foreman new. Entire said you na labor sika ho na de eju bonko.
You go open contract basis. Maybe by day then go to business labor so contracts and be charged labor nyam the
okay. Okay, because you would draw her your parents, you pay a real relationship into when you're good and the be I said, make catch another ya be cranny, you pay use more skills and the adment and pay about how you've been a debut ba into the doctor na naba, but Hannah Mwana mobile and say, you know, and actually, human yani ya be the abaca. Okay, the word must only affect Oh, Uba. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, because yes, now they see. No, we'll find that. Then, yeah, what not to see, we'll find it. Yeah. Atakwame, I'm at Patrick. Atakwame, American. I say, Bia, and Sana, Yabi, and you be see Atakwame be. No impakuna shim kakra wa ha no wosie ni wi na ya afidi esi dan no so nti dwun ho dai oye ye we
was natural war you be ansana this is what your best and we did be 2 weeks and able to one woman.
Oh, okay. Okay. And only the for wadrun ma en. Oh, nyimi okay. Oh, yeah, then okay. Okay.
What your best know that best won't put in that.
Okay.
Net is soon be away. Soon now.
So be Trebrex wa. We'll try what I Anna. Did it be someone?
maybe when some the
I'll to Jacob. Marco Hoda. Okay. Okay.
But you are working basically.
Okay. Okay. Mate.
It is one I work in.
Okay. In the mate. Yeah, well, you know what happened. See, Munya, fine. Yes, I am. Hey, retire. In your retirement.
Other option. Coconut plants.
Okay.
We just planted along all the boundaries.
Oh yeah.
Once I measure another 3 meters into it, you start the foundation, you know, you measure and put it in.
It is I said, I do not eminent. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's in Pacha. I don't ever shall see if him. Through one. Okay.
Because the slope is
the last one. Okay.
The slope comes this way.
Okay.
Both piggery, poultry, all the structures will do, but for security purpose, no, we can build our cottage.
Oh,
we are 3-bedroom, self-contained, for workers to stay.
Okay. Okay.
Then we'll start.
Okay.
So that one boundary, we start from the end to end.
Okay.
So that we know that at this point, when we are bringing feed, we are passing material. The offer.
Okay. Until now, what's the next step? I want to draw plan. I'm on there.
So why ready to obey a young on one door?
Okay.
One door when it Abia, we find the Wodulia, now baby, about the major profile, noble profile.
Okay. Okay.
Abia Udu, roofing level and my best,
okay. Okay. And I don't do Yabashas, yeah. Yabashas.
Oh, you know, what you know. The bear, poultry, you know, the bear, 30 feet by 100. Into here, we are the pillars, metal pillars around. Oh no, you be planted 1, 2. Now you be here. Now you will be handling the breeding room. Now high office. What do you maybe profile now? Because we do not say soap no or no or top into you sure they are feeling. But you bathing. Then start but how would they over corner yabo roof no the same thing or the na the hanum in between in pillars lower but you be entrance add me
this I don't know why
okay. Okay.
Yeah, the man, you be feeling and more.
Okay.
Because we slow doing. I have a bathroom.
Okay.
I have to from today. Feeling
no,
you're feeling so hand from no idea.
Okay.
The chair time yeah.
No, that's
greater be greater.
Oh no, I'm okay. Okay.
By then, you not have up now. You'll be breathing level.
No. Okay.
Which my finger
okay.
Then we start for the piggery.
Okay, the pigs up here. Okay.
Yeah. Make sure you do damn level. No? Until you do last end now, last plan. No, you outdoor ni day. Yando be 50 feet by 150 feet.
What's 50 feet
by 150? Yeah, but now if you have any be you your allowance, you between the materials near the Uguayan. About 3,000 blocks.
3,000. Okay.
But the end American, depending on the topography,
yeah,
and the level, you may just do. Sometimes instead of doing 2, you have to go maybe 10 and fill.
Okay.
To get the level.
Okay.
So depending, otherwise like $1,500 would be okay.
We do, okay.
But even if we get $3,000 for the other project,
Yeah.
so let's get $3,000. Let's get like $100 of cement.
$100, okay.
And then maybe 2 trips of stones,
Stones.
that's stones, and
Okay.
then 2 trips of sand.
Sand, okay.
And then
That's
that's
as sand, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
The nature of the land. This
Yeah.
is the nature. It could deep, but this is how it's gravel.
Okay.
And it's not good for really like corn and cassava would do well, because cassava can do well in land like this.
Okay. And that's just for the structure for a Nkokwan.
Yeah.
What about and then now will be like honestly a different.
Yeah, we might work on better. On the union, even $1,200. A bit messy. 2 bedroom, 1 room with toilet and bath inside, and a common kitchen where they will share.
Okay.
Corridor.
Okay.
$1,200 can do that.
Okay.
The roofing of the poultry, you can use about maybe 12 packets
12
or
packets.
12 to 15 packets.
Okay.
And 1 packet is $350.
Okay.
So if you get it from the manufacturer.
And then of course although you are cry, right? Baby.
No, I think there are some companies, they have outlets here.
Okay.
But all the way, when I was coming, I saw a roofing being transported all the way from Accra.
Accra, okay.
I don't know why, but we should be able to get
Some here, okay.
And normally, my masons, I pay them 80, labor 60.
Okay.
But like when we are doing foundation, I give it to them, okay, 600.
Okay. No.
They should dig. It's a contract.
Okay,
They
for
dig.
contract,
And then
okay.
When they are doing the concrete, then we start from there. Maybe to lay the concrete for the groundworks concrete. It's also 800.
Okay. So
And
when
then
you
the
give them
block
the
2005.
okay.
So that's how we go.
Okay.
So one level to the
So
other.
then that's the best way, right? Oh, okay.
But if you want somebody to work, I will advise you never employ anybody from this village to come and manage your farm. That will be the end of your farm.
Okay. Okay.
Always.
Because that man
the
wants to do it,
native,
but the
always
old
people from the town, because they live here.
They
The farm no occur in family home. Or
okay.
he has a funeral.
Yeah.
He have this. Maybe a weekend you have to feed that man. Remember him
And they'll die, okay.
and he has traveled to funeral.
Okay.
But if you get somebody from the north, a new relationship, yeah, the farm is his home.
Okay.
He stay there. So maybe additional work like door cleaning, we can employ them
Okay.
to do that. But
But the
for somebody
manager-
to stay on the farm, not from here.
Okay. And then how much you suggest you pay somebody like that, like from the
Normally I
north?
start with 400 a month.
400 a month? Wow. Because we have a family relation that we wanted him to come. We offered him 800. He doesn't. He wants to take 1,500. That's
The
too
work,
much.
This is not a university work.
Yeah.
It's feeding, watering, collecting eggs.
Wow. So we gave him good price and he was being greedy. Okay.
So I can get you somebody
Yeah.
who will even be happy to take
Please.
400 and eventually.
Please do that because yeah. You can do that for me. 400 a month is good price versus we offered him 800. And he said no, we even took it to 1,000. No, he doesn't. He doesn't.
And such a person, when you train them, it later when you see that people are coming to buy the eggs, no who
They'll
said
get greedy.
Obedient said the all is the money you receive. You will even forget that the
The
cost of
investment,
feeding,
yeah.
the structure cost of
Yeah.
then eventually on the mobile conflict. So it's always don't get family members.
Okay.
Become and people from the village forget.
Okay.
With the experience I'm telling you,
Yeah.
even if people from the village will tell them to come and plant something for you, they will last before they will tell you it won't work, it won't do well, this place, no, this is not how we no, bring somebody who have humility spirit and
Okay.
he doesn't have any family to weekend.
Yeah.
If weekend
Oh, okay. Then in that case, get me 2 because I want them to be happy and do the job. So with 400, I can get 2 people versus 1 person. Timpacho on a day. I'll give that over to you. Wow. Unbelievable.
Even if, like when we started, you just noticed something in this message.
Yeah.
I felt like the day you expect them to come, but
No, being yeah.
and they,
And that's the thing. You try to come and help, but then they take advantage of you.
so me, I don't go that way. I go, what we do is that, now, if you want to come and dig, we dig the foundation. we are doing concrete. When we work, we pay you by day. But the main people who make sure the work will move, they are not from here. I work with them.
Okay, in that case, can you get me 2 people that they will make sure the work will move, even though they're doing it?
I can get you a mason who can also employ these 2 masons because we want it fast.
Okay.
But he will supervise them because a mason and a laborer should be able to lay 100 blocks a day.
Okay.
So if you have 3 masons, I'm expecting 300 blocks laid in a day. So if I come and pay you, I come and I see that you've done only 50 blocks and you've taken my money for them now. You will not see.
Okay.
Okay guys, that's it in a nutshell. Dr. Benson gave me a wealth of knowledge. Now we know exactly what you need to do. If you need someone to lead your farming, leave a comment and I can give you his contact number. Thank you, and until next time, smile.